this is Esme from TSC. I'm honored to have the opportunity to introduce TSC to you. What we see now is the factory building of TSC. TSC was founded in 2010 and is a well-known manufacturer of high-precision linear motion in China. TSC prides itself on its commitment to customer excellence, using top-quality materials and cutting-edge technology to produce the highest quality products.
In order to respond to market demand,
TSC conducts special experiments on products,
such as linear guide real load test, dust-proof test, and the salt spray test. Test the actual performance of the product to ensure that the product meets customer requirements. This is where
TSC
products are packaged and shipped out in order to avoid losses during transportation.
TSC chooses wooden packaging,
which is strong and can withstand long-distance transportation. Each cylinder is sealed and packaged to prevent rust and dust.
TSC's goal is to provide customers with world-class quality products and services on the basis of competitive price and short delivery times, and to continuously improve and innovate in linear transmission technology.